Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you a functionality in Mesh Morpher which allows us to chain multiple sculpt nodes in a Mesh Morpher graph. So to get started, let's import the skeletal mesh. Many. We're going to work with many, it doesn't really matter. And at this point we can drag our sculpt mesh node. And here we can do some sculpting. Let's do this shoulder here. And now let's drag another one. And you can build any deformations. You can sculpt anything. I'm just keeping it pretty easy. And now let's make a little bit the hips wider. And now let's drag another one. And let's make some horns here. With the Mesh Morpher Graph, we can go back in time basically. And for example, if we don't want the hips anymore and we just want the shoulders and the horns, we just skip the hips node, and we can basically have the ability to pick which deformation we bake or create morph targets from, right? So let's connect this back. And the same happens if we drag directly from any other node, right? So we can skip anything we want. And this is how we can chain sculpt mesh nodes and be able to select which one will be used, right, without losing any other work. It's up to you. You can structure your sculpting to one node you do the head, one node you do the body, one node you do, I don't know, the legs and stuff like that, right? And then you can, of course, go ahead and create a morph target. And let's select our many, and you can select a new morph target name here and have a full morph target which holds all three nodes, right? All three deformations. So it's like this. Okay. And if you want to view your morph target, you just navigate to persona and test it out. You can, of course, create another morph target where you skip just the shoulders, for example. You can do all kinds of stuff. And let's test it out. And as you can see, you can select the chain of your deformations and how you write them, right? So you can also bake this deformation if you want. Just select the bake mesh node. And here you have, of course, different functionality. Okay, let's view it. This is our new mesh, and if, for example, you want to revert your baking, you just select the initial node, right? The one where you loaded your mesh, and you just bake it, right? And now you went back to the initial state without destroying the mesh or having to create backups and stuff like that. Let's test it out. And as you can see now, our skeletal mesh is in the initial state, and we have everything, all morph targets as we had it before, right? So this is this is what I wanted to show you, how we can chain sculpt nodes, and how we can skip nodes in that chain to create our own custom deformations, right? To combine and do some crazy stuff with our deformations. I hope you enjoy this functionality, and see you around.